Do you need your windows cleaned? Are your windows dirty? Maybe you've looked online locally for a local window cleaner to clean your windows, but maybe you're concerned about who's coming into your home. Are they a professional, licensed and insured company, or are they just some random guys cleaning windows on the side, right? Maybe you want a company that you can build a relationship with that can begin cleaning your windows on a regular basis, and you just want to make sure that everything is safe and they're licensed and insured, and it's the same exact cleaners coming every single time, that you can totally relax and know that your windows are getting cleaned. I'm Keith with Kelfus Window Cleaning in Sterling Heights, Shelby, and Macomb, and today we're cleaning windows right now in Washington Township. Later on, we've got a couple jobs in Macomb Township. We're right here in your local area. We're a fully licensed and insured company. And we're excited to come and clean your windows. We put nice blue booties on our feet so we don't track any dirt into your home. And our most popular window cleaning package, if you click the link below, you can schedule a free quote right now and call us. But our most popular package is glass inside and out, plus screen cleaning and sills wiped down. So we come inside of the home with booties on our feet. We remove all of the screens and stack them very carefully outside on your front porch, and then we clean all of the windows inside and out. We wipe down the sills, we clean all the screens thoroughly and wipe down all the screen frames, put it all back and spot check with a microfiber towel to make sure everything's nice and clean, because we are perfectionists. And then, only when you're happy do you write the check. Okay, so I'm Keith with Kelfus Window Cleaning, and over the past few years we've become the top rated window cleaner in Sterling Heights and Macomb. You can check out the link below and see all of our positive reviews, and they're all absolutely real. And click the link below to schedule your window cleaning right now.